Alright, so the Beamer is finally about to get another oil change, which is now the full oil change. 5W30 with my Bosch filter. So, don't want to freaking whatever. Anyway, I got the new filter already in already, as you can see. The old one is right there. So screwing that in, go to the bottom. Well, I don't want to screw it all the way. Open the top. I don't know why I still have this on here, which I could just take it off, but I do have my cover. I just don't have it right on here right now. I'm going to end up designing it and putting it on here and whatever, not, you know the stuff. Anyway, so about this oil change, right? Let's see. Alright, so what I don't know is that since being in the shop, I went ahead and made me a custom exhaust. Alright, yes, that's shitty, that looks bad, but guess what? It's gonna work. So I went ahead and took two pipes, merged them to one, and then ran straight back. So that's how she sits right now with the exhaust, which is not bad. I mean, it makes a little noise when you I guess when you driving and stuff, like it makes noises and stuff. And I also got a noise somewhere in here. I gotta figure out where it's coming from, cause it's killing me. But she has been through a lot, so let's go ahead and get this oil change. If you're using one of those right there to catch the oil, make sure you remove the oil filters out of there, because when the oil actually gets in there and starts splattering, it's gonna splatter everywhere, on you, the car, and on the ground. So just take them out. oil wasn't really dirty, but it's just about that time, you know. I believe I wanted some new fresh oil anyway. But we can look at my oil. See that? You can still see through it. Guys, do not let your oil get to the point where it's super black. That is not good for the car or the inside. Just saying. But I mean, I only have like maybe 1,000 miles on this oil right here, and this was just some cheap whatever oil just to put in here to get everything running and going. Look at that in the background. Don't see that every day. Anyway, look, even in the shade, my oil has like it's a little golden color. But don't let it fool you. It is a little darker than what it was. Not that dark, but a little bit darker. Excuse me. Alrighty. She's gonna need some more tires soon. This one's starting to wear right here on the inside. So is this one a little bit. That's why I got adjustable arms coming in. This one is pretty straight. I swapped this one from the back, which is pretty bad, and I put it on the front because it's zeroed out on the front, and it's like -3 on the back. So yeah, oil is almost done. I mean, I have oil there. I didn't have to buy my oil, but it's pointless. And my filter, he don't carry my filter, so that's kind of the reasons why I bought my own stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much that. All right, so the oil change is about done. I have the little rearview mirror, not rearview mirror, but the little mirror that goes in the inside of the car or whatever. I have the long one that stretches from one side to the other side. A full view, 360 view, I guess. Not 360, but a full view mirror that I'm going to install on the car. So, that's my goal with the mirror, because I was going to use the stock one, but the stock one actually still has the little plate on it. So that actually goes to the mirror, to the window. So sorry, I can't talk right now. I've been working in this heat all day and sweating. I haven't changed clothes maybe 2 or 3 times already. See this? Look, it's tight, right? Just go down just a little bit. That little snub, and that's all you need. That is all you need. Unless you got a rinky-dink system. But other than that, that's normally all you need. And we're good. Alright, got the all in. Where's my... Oh, gotcha. Oh. Okay, it's time to tighten this top up. Make sure you tighten your tops up good enough. If they're plastic, be careful, you can crack it. So, ooh, my radiator's hot as hell too. Okay. I just want mine to be tight because I do like to rev up a little bit. Whew, excuse me. Alright. One more thing I forgot to do is actually pick it up and check that clacking noise I have. It's somewhere around in this area right here. I thought it was the wheel, but it's not the wheel. So it must be the drive shaft hitting something. see if we can get this situated.